Hey, it's me, Andy from potatoesandpearls.com, and in this video, I am going to show you how I make my most favorite vegetable, broccoli, roasted in the air fryer. I love broccoli. I could literally eat it every day. It is my most favorite vegetable, and by it being my most favorite vegetable, I do not eat it plain. I put lemon pepper on my broccoli and I also use Hollandaise sauce. So, I am going to show you how I make my broccoli in the air fryer so it comes out roasted without having to turn on my big oven. But I'm also going to show you how I make my Hollandaise sauce in my Instant Pot blender. So if that sounds like something you are interested in, stick around. We are going to get into it right after this. So I just want to start off by saying that I am using one head of broccoli for this demonstration, this recipe. You can use more broccoli if you need to, if you have a larger family or anything like that. I am going to say time and temperature for cooking is all the same. So even if you have 5 heads of broccoli, you're still going to use the same time and the same temperature. I have cut up my broccoli into bite-sized pieces and I've gone ahead and put on 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I am adding the lemon pepper right now, and it's really just as much or as little as you prefer. Or if you don't like lemon pepper, you don't even have to put it on there. But I would still recommend adding a little bit of salt. If you're not in the salt, you don't have to put it, but the salt, the lemon pepper seasoning, and olive oil, it's really delicious and it goes really well with the hollandaise sauce. And I'm just gonna mix that all together and we're gonna get ready to put it in the air fryer. The broccoli is going to cook in the air fryer on 400 degrees for 20 minutes. At the 10-minute mark, you are going to want to take the broccoli, like the tray out, just to check your broccoli and make sure that everything is evenly cooked, and then continue cooking it for the rest of the time. We're going to go ahead and make our hollandaise sauce while that's cooking. You're going to start off with 4 egg yolks. The next 2 ingredients to add in are 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. The thing I like about the Instant Pot blender is even though you can clearly see everything sitting below the blade, it still does a good job of making sure that everything is blended together and smooth. And this is just on the low setting. So you just want to take the egg yolks, the lemon juice, and the salt, blended together on a low setting for maybe about 30 seconds, maybe 30 to 45 seconds. The next thing we're going to go ahead and add in is a half a cup of warm melted butter. And you're going to go ahead and pour that in. I'm currently pouring it in from the top of the blender while it is blending on low, and you're going to keep blending it maybe for like a minute or so, just until you can see that you have a smooth consistency on the outside of the blender. After about 30 seconds to a minute of blending with the warm melted butter, it should come out to about this consistency, a nice yellow creamy consistency, no lumps, bumps, or separation. And I like to put mine inside of a squeeze bottle, so on my delicious plate of roasted broccoli, I can evenly add my hollandaise sauce. Just a reminder, with hollandaise, it is only good for 1 to 2 days after. Do not keep hollandaise for days and days. There's a potential to make you sick. Not saying it will, but a potential because it has raw egg in it. I mean, with cooked butter, but it has the egg in it. I like to eat my roasted broccoli with hollandaise as like a snack, but you could definitely make this a side for Thanksgiving or honestly for any time you want to. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. And if you are into food and travel, whenever we can travel again after 2020, don't forget to click that subscribe button. I am working on trying to post here every week again. I'm feeling back in my flow. So I will see you guys next time. Bye.